pay attention. You should have had a go. Okay, so we're gonna have a go at this question. Okay, what's the first thing? Can we stop making small commentaries? Okay, just not yet. You can do it later, just not now. Ella, what's the first thing you need to draw?
-4 times y.
Right.
Oh yeah, with the arrow.
Okay, cool. You're showing that you know what operation's happening. We know it's multiplication. We're not adding -4 and y together, are we? We're not adding -4 and -3 together.
You just had a bruise.
Right? Okay, just gonna wait. Okay, now, what's the next step, Naz? What would you write to show you're working out? Okay, how do you... I'm still hearing conversations, a lot of people being disrespectful, and this is something I spoke about in our last class. Okay? So when you have something to say, we're all being respectful to that person. Right now at the moment, Naz has something to say. Okay, Naz, what are you showing? What working out are you going to show here? Okay, how do you do that? What will you write in your next step? Okay, that's not, and you're actually simplifying too far. How do you show the working out? Like we've done in here, in this step.
-4 times y.
Well done. -4 times y. Okay, great. What's the next thing we're going to multiply? Spencer.
-4 times -3.
Well done. Great, that's it. If you've done that, great work. Harlow, next step. How do we simplify this now?
-4y.
Well done, because you know how to multiply positive negatives. -4y. Okay, Ava, how do you simplify the next thing? -4 times -3. Yeah?
12.
Okay, is that a -12 or a +12? Positive, okay. So just don't, guys, when I ask a specific person, try not add in your 2 cents, okay? Unless I've asked that. They're year 8s.
What about the times?
It says -4 times -3, which is what? Correct. Negative times a negative is a positive, okay? So here, we've done -4 times -3 is +12. So a lot of, we not call that, Malale? So a lot of people commented, oh, I don't need to show, this is so annoying, like why should I show this? That is there so you avoid putting that as a -1, because some people add that. Some people go -4 plus -3, they get a -7. Some people do, oh, -4 times 3 is -12. The reason why I ask you to write this step is to clear any potential accidental mistake. Because a lot of the time people do this in their head and they make the error in their head. So what we're going to do is you break that step down. -4 times y. -4 times -3. Lucas, what's your question?
But in the actual question, you said it's 3, not -3.
Yeah, so that subtraction sign connected to that 3, good point, because that's a lot of things that a lot of people get stuck on. Great. So you're mentioning a thing that 90% of people think that too. It's actually a negative sign also connected to that 3.
Because the y has been taken away.
When it's next to the number, it's a -3.
That was there an example. I just feel like I broke it around just to know.
No, but when you simplify it, you write down. Oh yeah, you could do that if you wanted to, yeah. So, I'm going to put up one more question, okay?
Is the answer 12y?
Okay, firstly, can you add these 2 terms together?
No.
No, you can't. Why not? Why is that, Angelina? That's not the reason why you can't add them. Malale. Correct. This term and this term are not like terms. If this was a 12y, Amar, this was a 12y, you could put them together. Yeah. If this was, like, if there was no y, you can add them together, okay? So, I'm going to put up another question. Spence, could you just pause that?